makeup looks. Hashtag whatever. This idea was brought to me by Ailey. I will be tagging her occasionally in these videos when I remember, because I suck at that. Today we're going to again go into the Grinch palette from Pure. This is like the perfect palette for Christmas. It is so darn cute. If you haven't seen this palette, it's ridiculously adorable. So when you open it up, there's a mirror in there, and this little village. On the mirror it says his heart grew 3 sizes in 1 day. The palette itself is a heart, and it's perfect for Christmas. Look at that. How cute is that? It's adorable. I've used it once so far, and I played around with it a little bit. I love that this was green lipstick. It certainly looks like a green lipstick, right? Yeah, it's not, as you can see by the pink part, it turns pink. So today I thought we would try using that in this look. So let's jump into this and see how it goes. It's super cold here, so still in flannel. When you live in Montana, you can live in flannel shirts and nobody will judge you. As I mentioned last time, this does not have a good base shade for me, so I'm just gonna grab this light one out of my Smashbox Trio. This base shade here, it's like perfect, and it goes on super easily. And it makes blending a breeze. And I still have my Lime Creme palette sitting here, which is small and has a good mirror, so. Okay, so I have my base shade down. The thing about this palette is, and that's not terribly surprising, it's mostly shimmers and glitters. It has 2 pressed glitters, just a couple mattes, and then the rest are shimmers. This pink here is so pretty. I thought we would do a look using these kind of purpley shimmery colors here, and maybe a little bit of that glitter that matches it perfectly. First we're going to use this brown right here, and the brown is called Cave. Okay, so I have that blended in, and I really should try Cave as a base shade because it looks darker in the pan than it does on the lid. So then I'm going to use the other matte that's in here, which is Sly One, which is a nice reddish brown color. I'm just going to put that on a different blending brush and start blending that into my outer corner. So now I'm going to take that red there that looks like a shimmer in the pan. I don't know if it's going to be on the lid. And I'm just going to take a fluffy sort of angled brush. It's definitely a shimmer. I got some glitter down here because I wasn't paying attention and had been playing with glitter on my fingers, and then, yeah, it was a mess. I just put some more under eye cream down there, and I will do my concealer in a second, because, yeah, that was a bad idea. This shimmer here, I did these shimmers with my fingers yesterday and applied it with my fingers. They definitely apply better with your finger than using a brush like this. When I tried to do that, it got everywhere. But when I use my fingers, it looks gorgeous. Now I'm going to take that gold right there. I'm going to use the gold right here and bring it in towards my inner corner. Not all the way in because I want to use lighter shade. Now I'm going to grab some glitter glue. This one is from Too Faced, and I'm just going to use a little bit of this and pop it right on the center of the lid, right just in the middle. And then take my fingers and grab that beautiful burgundy red and pop that just into the center of the lid. And boy, that is like disco ball glitter right there. You want to have a glittery lid for Christmas? That gets it done in a hurry. And unlike a lot of it, if you use the glitter glue, it does not want to come off. I just had a heck of a time getting it off my fingers using soap and water. Hopefully, it should stay there for hours. That's the great thing about glitter glue. It really does hold down glitter, especially if it's a good glitter that wants to stay on anyways. I don't really recommend using any glitter like that, the heavy chunky kind, unless you use a glitter glue. Because otherwise, by like 2 hours in, usually it's down here somewhere and it doesn't look very pretty. Okay, so now I'm going to use some concealers. And first I use a creamy concealer, and then I go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, because Tarte. And once you get to a certain age, drying down there isn't a good thing. this is also in my project pan, which we will be discussing soon. There's no way I'm gonna pan that. All my mistakes and glitter are now covered up that I had down there, so yay! And because it is Christmas and I'm loving this for Christmas, I am using the Smashbox Vlada eyeliner. This is black with some rose gold flecks in it. Since I've got flecks glitter anyways, we might as well make them shine, right? That's my plan anyways. I just pretend that all the glitter everywhere was intentional. I'm going to use Sly One and bring that around my lower lash line a little bit. And I am just using a really, really tiny little brush. And I'm just going to blend that out a little bit. And for fun, we're going to use Leave Now, which is this really cool blue glitter. Carefully put that along my lower lash line. And then I'm going to take Ha Ha Ha, I think is what that's called. It's an awesome name. And I'm going to put that at my inner corner, the top and bottom. Okay, so I'm going to do my mascara with my Tartist Lash Paint. I'm in love with this blush. It's called Heart of Who, and it is so pretty. It also stains my brush like crazy because it is super pigmented, but it is such a pretty pink. And I've already got glitter places I don't want it. That's the thing about wearing glitter. You're gonna have it everywhere, pretty much no matter what you do. But that blush is gorgeous, absolutely beautiful. So is this highlight called Feeling Frosty. It is just stunning. Okay, so lastly for this look, I'm going to use this green lipstick that isn't actually green. I used it the other day and I'm hoping it looks like what I thought it did. So it's a very bright pink on me. What I had on the other day must have toned it down just a little bit because that is a little brighter than I like it. It's not terrible. This is what most of those ones that change color on them do to me. They turn a very bright pink. I would prefer a more subdued pink. It's not bad, and I can tell you it tastes good. It lasts for hours, but I put it over the top of my Kat Von D Lovesick. Like, I still had a little bit of this on, so it was like, I don't know, I toned it down just enough for me to really, really like it. And I think because I am sporting the red shirt and red glitter, I am gonna try. So I just put on some Misconduct from Smashbox. It is a very deep red. With this eye look I have going on, I like it a little better. And now I'm gonna use some Crimson. This is their legendary. And there's the Christmas red I was looking for. Now, if you're gonna do a Christmas red, do it right. This is a very deep red underneath, which is how I prefer my reds to look on me. Anyways, this is my third day of Christmas look. Let me know what you think. This one's definitely very red. Wish I had a Santa hat, because that would be perfect for this look. The tree hat thing with the, tinsel around it. That would be awesome for today's look. Anyways, let me know what you think. What are you doing for Christmas? How are you liking my Christmas look so far? I love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!